Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you the best Toca Boca codes in 2026. This is how to unlock everything in Toca Life World or Toca Boca, whatever you want to call it, guys. This is going to get everything unlocked, and this is going to save you a bunch of money because the places and packs and houses cost a bunch. I mean, they're not expensive, but if you buy a lot of them, they do get pretty expensive. So I'm going to be showing you how to get everything unlocked in Toca Boca using a working code. Before I show you guys how to go ahead and do this, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel because many more updated videos coming in the near future. So let's get into it, guys. What you're going to want to do is just use your mobile phone. Now, if you play Toca Boca on your mobile, use that phone. If you play it on your PC, just grab your phone and open up the internet browser. And this is going to get you the Toca Boca code, guys, to unlock everything. So go to www.coldcoupons.com. So you can make sure you copy this exactly how I've typed it here, guys. Essentially, this website is a coupon code website, and they specialize majorly in game codes. As you can see, they have tons of different pages. So I'm just going to go ahead and use that search bar at the top of the screen and search for Toca Boca codes. So just type in Toca Boca or Toca Life World. Now, guys, what do you actually call this game? Because many people refer to it as Toca Boca. The App Store refers to it as Toca Boca World. So yeah, anyway, let's get into it. These are the verified working Toca Boca codes. So scroll down, you can unlock all packs, you can get all furniture, you can unlock all places, and you can get all houses. So choose the code that you want, guys. I'm just going to select the all packs code for this tutorial. And yeah, this is a code for Toca Life World that is going to unlock all packs. But like I said, guys, you can get houses as well, and furniture and places. So this is awesome. Now, because these are pretty desirable codes, guys, obviously packs are pretty expensive. And as you can see, there's 600. So there is a bunch of them, but they are sort of limited in number. So what you're going to want to do, guys, is just unlock your code. So what you're going to want to do is click on Get Full Code and follow the instructions on this screen. This is basically just a code unlocker, and this basically assists you unlocking your Toca Boca code. So it says here, complete 2 offers below. Now, essentially, these offers are completely free, as you can see, and they're simple things, guys. They're basically things like installing and opening mobile applications. They're easy, quick tasks. They take about 3 minutes each, if that, some of them even 30 seconds. You just got to make sure you read the text below each of the tasks, because that basically tells you what exactly you need to do. So if you complete 2 of them, as you can see, it will unlock your code. So go back, and your code will now be fully revealed. Obviously, I've skipped forward. I don't want this video to be too long. I can see we're already at 3 minutes, 30 seconds. And yeah, essentially, yeah, your code will be unlocked here, and you just redeem it in Toca Boca, and that is going to unlock, in that case, packs, but you can unlock furniture, places, and houses. As you can see, the places one's pretty popular. So these are the best Toca Life World codes, guys. Make sure you head on over to Cold Coupons. Any questions, getting your code, let me know, guys. But yeah, enjoy, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.